I'm Lee McCraw with the McCraw Law Group. In the immediate aftermath of a wrongful death, you likely have a lot of questions. One of the first questions you need to be asking is how do I proceed in the aftermath of a wrongful death case? You need to understand that after a death situation, that whoever the opponent is, the potential adversary, the person that is at fault, or the people that are at fault, are likely to be on the scene early. They're likely to be gathering evidence. They might be destroying evidence. It's important for you to level the playing field and have somebody, a team of your own out there. A qualified personal injury law firm, a wrongful death law firm that has the resources and the experience to match that sort of activity needs to happen so that you don't find yourself at a disadvantage. Second, in the immediate aftermath of a wrongful death, the family is very often grieving. They're worried about just all types of things that could happen in the future, what's going to happen to children, for instance, or potentially what can happen to mother or father, or other people that are dependent upon the person that was killed. You don't have time to really get in and dig in and do what has to be done to preserve that evidence. It's very important, very, very important after a wrongful death has occurred to hire a lawyer early and give that lawyer an opportunity to develop the case. It can make literally millions of dollars of difference in the value of the case as to what is preserved and what is not. Don't chance it. Don't wait and see. Don't hope that somebody's going to do the right thing. The only way you're going to force the folks to do the right thing in this situation is to have the evidence that you need to have, to develop the evidence that needs to be developed. The last thing I want to tell you about a wrongful death case is it's very important to hire a law firm with the resources and the experience to handle the case. There are a lot of law firms out there that say that they'll do wrongful death cases, but ask them how many they've actually done. Ask them if they have the financial capability of spending the money that needs to be spent to preserve the evidence, to hire the experts that need to be hired, to develop the evidence that needs to be developed so that you can maximize the value of these cases. This is not a job for amateurs. At the McCraw Law Group, we are experienced personal injury trial lawyers. We have handled many, many wrongful death cases, and we spend the time and the money on these cases to develop them the way they need to be developed.